do a room tour of our signature suite at the Impression side. This is the signature suite tropical view room. It's the most basic room category. It's a beautiful spacious room. This room category is specifically for 2 people as it only has the king bed. Every room also comes with butler service, and we also receive a beautiful beach bag. For the in-room mini bar, it's refreshed daily, and you can find an espresso machine, bottled water, sparkly wine, beers, soft drinks, and then you can ask for more through the app. Thing I loved the most about the room was definitely the bathroom. It was so spacious, beautiful, mirrors everywhere. I love that the mirrors had lights around. The amenities, there's plenty of amenities here, and in case you run out of anything, you can just order it through the app. I did use the app a lot, and this is the first time at a resort that I find the app to be so efficient. There's also a beautiful hot tub. There's a separate shower, which I really enjoyed, the rain head, and the amenities here are also big and enough. Everything in the room is Le Labo Bergamot 22, which I love, and it smells amazing. The closet was beautiful, has mirrors, and there's robes, there's slippers, there's an umbrella. There's also laundry service. You can send 3 items per person per stay, and I found that to be so cool. They polish your shoes. And lastly, there's a safe, and it's tucked in one of the drawers, and there's like 4 or 5 drawers here, just enough space. Secret box is also a very nice touch that they have at all Secrets resorts, where they can leave your food there. And lastly, let's talk about our room view. The balcony, which I love, has another tub, has chairs, just beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just drop them down below. Bye-bye.